I want to encourage you guys today to look on the bright side of things. This weekend may have not been going as well as you expected. Maybe your paycheck wasn't as big as you would have liked, but all of us have a choice. Let's look on the bright side. Let's decide to motivate each other and bring each other up. There's so much goodness in the world, so much beauty, and so much happiness if we just look for it. We don't have to choose to be looking at the downside of everything. We don't have to be negative. We can choose to, on purpose, look for positive things. Did you eat today? Do you have coffee to drink or whatever you like to drink? Do you have food in the refrigerator? Those are all things to be happy about. They're amazing things. Do you have a bed to sleep in? Hot and cold running water? I'm amazingly happy about these things. In the past, I have been homeless and without these things. I am very grateful for where I am right now in my life. It's amazing. And I just keep going and going and going, looking for things to be happy about. Not every day is going to be a great day for any of us, but we can choose to ignore the bad, just deal with it, let it go, feel the feelings, let it go, breathe deep, and then go look for something to be happy about. Do you have a kitty cat or a puppy dog to pet? Does that make you happy? Do that. Choose something that makes you happy. If you're able to, and you're really feeling down, maybe a nap would make you happy. It will bring a different perspective when you wake up. Splash some water on your face. Make your favorite drink, coffee, tea, whatever you like to drink. And it will lift your spirits and you can find something to be happy about. There's always, always, always something to be happy about. If you have kids, you can find something there. If you have a husband or wife, you can find something there. A boyfriend, a girlfriend. It's amazing what we can do to make ourselves happy and turn on some comedies or something. I use a lot of YouTube clean comedies like Dry Bar and stuff like that to lift my spirits, and anything spiritual that makes me feel good and lifts my spirits. So I encourage you today to just take time out. It doesn't take very long, but we have to, in today's world, do it on purpose. No one else is going to do it for us. It would be nice if that could happen, but it's not going to. So if you're feeling down, let me encourage you to look purposely for something wonderful and something that you're grateful for, and it brings you happiness. I wish you a very blessed day. God bless you. And please like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Please do. And just have a wonderful, wonderful, happy day. Bye for now.